Hi everyone, in the front of me I've got TCL 403 and let me share with you how to change the wallpaper on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll down just a little bit to find the home screen and lock screen. Now let's tap on wallpapers, which are at the top of the list, and as you can see here we've got some pre-installed wallpapers from which we can choose. Which is more, we can tap on more my photos and you will simply be able to set your own photo as a wallpaper, or you can enter recently used, and basically here your device will store all previously applied wallpapers. So if you want to check the preview of the wallpaper, simply tap on it. If you're opening it and entering this section for the very first time, your device will ask you to allow to access the launcher, as far as I remember, so simply tap on allow. And as you can see here, we've got the preview of the home screen. If you want to, you can check the preview of the lock screen. Also, simply swipe your finger up or down. I'm not sure. Oh, it can be swiped down. And as you can see, this is how it will look like on the lock screen. So let's go back to the home screen, and if you want to set it only on the home screen, so you want to set totally different wallpaper on the lock screen, simply tap on done. If you want to add it on both, simply tap on set both. Let's tap on it. Okay. And as you can see, we've got this information, and after getting back, you can see that the wallpaper has been applied successfully. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.